Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Jeep Compass Latitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1956P. 31,000 miles and this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat. Gauges, again only 31,000 miles. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Automatic temperature control and heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Lots of storage space. And the armrest, 115-volt outlet. Perfect for charging those media devices. And a large glove box with all owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon and the city average of 26 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Compass, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.